This is Felix. Felix is a reader. Which of these activities do you think made Felix a reader? All of them. There are many ways to discover the pleasure of reading. Ideally, it starts when we are young. At home, in our neighborhood, through various activities, and of course, at school. Did you know that children like Felix, who look through books by themselves when they're 2.5 years old, will be more motivated to read when they start school and will get better grades when they are 15? What will have the greatest impact on Felix's reading skills is reading for pleasure. According to the OECD, reading for enjoyment is even more important than the amount of time spent reading. But what does reading for pleasure really mean? It means reading what you want to read, based on your own interests and preferences. It means reading without worrying about being graded or judged. It's also about having someone read to you at any age. Instilling the joy of reading in children and young people begins with their interests and passions. For example, Rashida is fascinated by Japan. She talks about it all the time with her friends and has even taken up karaoke. She has been hooked on mangas for months and is now deep into a novel that is set in Tokyo. No doubt about it, it's Rashida's fascination with Japan that has turned her into a reader. When it comes to reading, everyone has their preferences. And any opportunity to read is a good one, because reading is a way to pursue our passions, not a goal in itself. When we read what we like, we read more, and more often. And the more we read, the easier it becomes, and the more we enjoy it. Put simply, everything Felix and Rashida have read, and all the opportunities they have had to read, have turned them into avid readers, increasing their chances of success at school and in life. Yes, what makes all the difference is combining reading with pleasure. And that goes for everyone, whatever their age.